Hey guys, welcome back to this channel, and in this video I'm gonna show you how to get hero Fredrinn from the lucky spin on Mobile Legends. So without any further ado, let's get started. First thing you need to do is you need to log in into your Mobile Legend account, and if you already log in, you can click events menu, and then click shop menu, and then click draw, and then click lucky spin, and over here you can get free lucky spin for ants. Click, and then you get the emblem fragment. So click 5 draws, and then click the tickets, and don't show again during this login. Okay, click 5 more, click 5 more, click again until you get the Fredrinn hero, guys, like this. Okay, so if you want to get the Fredrinn hero, you can still keep doing the spin. Okay guys, so here it is. I hope this video was helpful for you guys. If you like the video, you can press like, comment, and share, and also subscribe to the channel if you haven't done that already. And if you have a questions, you can leave it in the comment section down below. Thank you so much for watching, and bye.